Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Barbara from Hyderabad. So now we are learning the advanced features, special features of Tally release 3.0 and 3.0.1. Both are same except one or two differences. Okay, so I'm taking up 3.0.1. So for that, I am making videos, a series of videos, because we have learned a lot of the features and the actual working of the feature also. That's why I am making in parts. So I already completed part 1, 2, 3, 4. We completed. Today we are taking up part 5. So just I will share the screen. Here, part 1 we completed for some of the features. It's simple. And 2, 3, 4, these 3 parts, they deal with the setting when the company is created, that GST registration details will be given. That means the GST will be activated, enabled. GST feature will be enabled. And after the GST rate and HSN code, that's called as GST rate details. Means rate details means rate and HSN code. All these details, this is HSN code and rate. These are to be given for the calculation of tax. But in this, from 3.0 onwards, before that up to 2.1, it is simple. Just we have to click set or alter GST details. Then we have to give the HSN code details. That's all. One place. And other places, it can give anywhere. In other places, it will not show. Okay, but it will take. So we will do that. But 3.0.1, 3.0 onwards, completely that set or alter details, we need to click that. Already it is given in the open. So in every page, wherever these details are required, it will show directly. The dashboard will show that it will ask you the HSN details and this one and GST rate. And for this purpose, in this 3.0 onwards, so we can give these details, that is rate and HSN code. These details at 7 places for that. And then in all the 7 places, whenever you want to change it, how to, modify the GST rate or HSN details in the during the voucher entry in the company level, stock level, stock item, voucher entry, anything. So these two points we made in 3 videos, and they are very, very important. If you know how to set up the GST rate and other details, GST rate and HSN details, then you can record very carefully and you can record correctly, and the reports, GST reports also will show a correct picture. That is why. So this setting up of the GST rate details is very important. For that we made. So you don't miss the videos and don't skip the videos. All the 3 videos, 2, 3, and 4. These videos you watch till the end and you learn and practice well. Then only you can your recording will be correct. So first of all, recording you must learn very well. If you record well and correctly, the reports will be correct. That's why this is very important. So up to this is 2, 3, and 4. And now next part is 7. Part 5. So in this part 5, there are some special item in the part 5. This is available in 2.1 also, but here 3.0 onwards, it is also available, but is in a different way. It is reduced in a different way. So that will learn now. So here, this is called as separate unique numbering series. Separate unique numbering series for each registration. So in the first video, we learned that we can maintain or we can record, we can create multiple registration numbers for one company. Suppose if a company has branches in other states also, in the other states, they will have the same company, will have branch, and the same company will have another registration. So previously in the up to 2.1, so for each registration, we have to create a company separately. One company, Telangana registration number. Another company create, another company, then Andhra Pradesh registration. You create another company, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Like that, for each registration, you have to create a separate company. That means for each company, only one registration. But now in this 3.0 onwards, for one company, you can maintain, you can create and maintain many registrations. So for one company will be the same, only one company. So Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, like that. Many registrations you can maintain and you can enter, create in the same company. So in one company you can create. So in this case, if you create the company, different many registrations in one company, in such a case, when you are recording the transactions, how you will record, how the voucher numbers, how you will maintain for that purpose without any claim. For that purpose, each same numbers cannot be used. For example, we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same numbers you cannot use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again in other registrations. That is why for each registration we have to maintain, we have to create a special number series that is called as unique for that purpose, for that registration, and for another registration another unique number. So unique or special numbering series we have to create for each registration. So in this case, how to create? First of all, this creating the numbering, unique numbering is available in 2.1 also, but only for one company, one registration, one numbering only we can create. For example, this is 2.1. In this case, if you want to create unit numbering, and one more thing is, you see here, in this case, in the 2.1, already there are five vouchers, that is sales vouchers. 5 invoices already entered. And in the same case, in 3.1 also, we already created there are 5 vouchers. All these are under Telangana registration here, that will come later. Okay, so already is there. So in this case, already these numbers are there. And here, now we have to create a special number. For one numbering series only we can create, because only one registration. So if you want to create that, what you will do is, you will go to alter. Creating this is same in both the cases. So go to alter, then go to voucher type. For which voucher we have to maintain this series. So go to sales. First of all, you can take series. For every voucher, we can create like this, except purchase. Purchases, see, get that purchase voucher number, and below that, supplier's invoice number you are giving. So there the supplier's invoice number will be different. So the invoice number given by the supplier, we will enter there. For that, there will be no series required. For all other vouchers, we can create, but here, in this case, we create only for sales, because there is no one registration. Go to this registration, that is numbering, that is called as voucher type, select here, it's it, here, automatic, numbering is automatic, and after that, use advanced configuration for the series. We are creating a series for this. Take it, yes, here it will come. This is configuration for the series. So starting number 1, and how many digits you require, that is number of the what you call width of the numeric part, that is number of digits. For example, depending on the business, you can take 3 numbers, 4 numbers, anything. We are taking 3. That means there will be 3 numbers in digit up to 1 to 999. So in this case, we'll after that pre-fill with 0 means there is one number starting with num. We require 3 digits. So 1 means before that 1, 2 zeros will be placed. Then only it will be 3. So the total will be 3 numbers. But if there is one starting with 1, so before that 2 zeros will be placed. For that, pre-fill with 0. Yes, you have to pre-fill. Otherwise, it will not take. So from 1-4, starting number 1 yearly. Then again, second one, 1-4, from 1-4. Here, prefix and suffix. Before the number we are getting, before the number and after the number, you can put some special series, some special items. So here, this is only one company and only one registration. That's all. There is no other registration, only one. That's why you can take the company name as prefix. You can take it as TP, Tally Prime is TP slash. So before the number, TP. After this slash, number will come, and after that again 1-4. Suffix means after the number. Before the number TP, after the number what you have to do, generally will be the year of the accounting, financial year. So 23-24. That means TP is prefix, before that number, and after the number 23. In between these two, the number, if it is 1001, if it is 5005, if it is 10, 010, like that. So like this, we will create the series. Then accept this window. See here, now we created this. We created the series. Now if we go to vouchers, see. So sales voucher, if you go, so it is starting with TP, we are given the number, starting with 6, because if I start starting with 1, because already we have 5 invoices created already. So all these 5 years, numbers will be, all the numbers will change. So from the beginning, the series will start from the beginning. You see, from the beginning, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are also converted into the special format. So special numbering. So this is converted into series. That is why it is starting with 6. So all the previous numbers also, they are converted. So all the numbers will change. So this is what happening in this case of 2.1. But in the case of this one, which one? This 3.0.1. These numbers will not change. That's why I will show you how. Now here also we have to create special numbering. Special numbering, go to voucher part, voucher type, then go to sales. This is the voucher, isn't it? But here we have to create the special unique, that is special numbering series for each registration. So there only we created only one registration. Here 3 registrations or any number of registrations. We have to create special unique numbering series for each one. So for that, if you create this, so if you create this, the numbering, special numbering system, that is the special unique voucher number series will work properly when we are creating multiple, because we created already previously. We created in the first video I showed you. Here we go to this place. You see here already 3 registrations are created. So at the time of creation, so here first one, Tamil Telangana default our own state. We will create that. After that, it will not ask anything. And if you create second registration, for example, after Telangana, if you get Andhra Pradesh, say here, after creating Andhra Pradesh means you'll come here, yes, and we'll go to this place. We will create the new registration only. Company is the same. Company is only one, but registration is different, because for all the registrations, company name will be same. So here, after creating these, when you are, see here, when you accept this, after accepting this, it will show you, you can create unique numbering series. You want to create, then here you have to do, yes, you have to select. You have to correct, yes, you should not select no. That means no means the system will not work. So you have to select yes. If you select yes, immediately it will show the voucher types. In which voucher, what are the vouchers you want to create special numbering. So that we have to do yes, definitely. So I will show you. We did there that we don't know about the special numbering. We have not discussed, just only creation. Now I will create a new one. For example, now I will create Karnataka. You will create Karnataka, so you will give Karnataka. We will give Karnataka numbers. But if you know the numbers, all these things, you have to go correctly. So here, Karnataka, here, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Karnataka. For Karnataka, I am creating the company. I mean registration. Here we can create registration. And this will take up. No. So here, it's like this. If you create after first company, that is the default company. If you create another company, that is another registration, after accepting this registration, it will show you. See, you can create a unique voucher numbering series. Okay, to cater to the multiple registration numbers. So it will give the message. You want to go to the chart of accounts means you have to go to the voucher types. Then you have to select. You have to select here. Yes. To select yes, it will show the voucher types. In this, which voucher you want to go. If you can click sales, you can make the series. But here we will make the series for all the registrations separately. So just escape. So here, like that, you have to make yes only. Then only the system will work properly. So we have created 4. Now we will go to the numbering creation of numbering. Number creation we will go. How we will create the unique number vouchering, voucher numbering. So for that, we have to go here and go to voucher types. Then select, first of all, we will create for sales. That is more important. So going to sales, but here is see. Here method of numbering is voucher numbering is automatic. In that also it showed automatic. And after just it is giving use advanced configuration. But here after automatic it is asking you retain original voucher number means already there are some vouchers. If you create this series, the previous vouchers and after the next video will come in this video will come afterwards and the succeeding numbers also all the other numbers there will be no change in the other numbers. The original invoice voucher number will be retained. It will be as it will not change. So that is the specialty of 3.0 onwards, 3.0 and onwards, all the series. This is the specialty. The numbering will not change. Okay. So here, the numbering retain original numbering. So even if you are not creating multiple registrations, even in one registration also, when you are creating the registration, you have to create the registration for this. Okay. So when you are making the series, so here it will ask you that. So select this, retain the original numbering. Suppose if we select here, renumber voucher means it's automatically like previously. If you make something, other numbers will change. So there is no use of special numbering. That is why we have to create, we have to take, retain original voucher. Then we see there, use advanced configuration. It is giving here, set or alter, additional numbering details. You take yes here, it will show here, you can create only one additional numbering system for one only. One only you can create. For multiple, you cannot create. That is why what we have to do is, here, we should not take it as yes. We should not take it as yes. Here, we have to change that. Come to the configuration F12. Here, see the fourth one, fifth one. Yeah. See, define multiple numbering series for vouchers, multiple series. For one series. In the 2.1, we create only one series. Here, for many registrations, many different, multiple, the numbering series you have to create. Make it yes. You make it yes and accept, then automatically change. See, here, automatic has gone. So automatic retain voucher numbering, that will come in another place here. So here's the same thing here, configuration. Define multiple numbering series for vouchers. We make it yes. Then it will come. So numbering. So this is default numbering. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 original number. That is the default numbering we won't use. Now we have to create the series for each registration. For example, see, create series. So first of all, series name, which state? First we will create for Telangana state, TS. TS, here it will show automatic. There in the previously it was there. It is showing here. So automatic, then retain the original numbering. So here, set or alter the additional numbering series there, it was there. It has also come here. So you keep it. Yes. Now it will ask you. Here, this is for Telangana state. So starting with number 1, previously like this is the same. And yes, you have to take refill with 0, 1, 4, and here again 1, 4, and here number, here prefix and suffix here. Previously in point 2.1 it did only one company and only one series. When one registration, we have taken the name of the company. But here, company name is the same for all the registrations. So you cannot take the name. If you take the name for all the registrations, name will be same. It will not work. That is why you have to take the name of the registration as prefix, not company name. So we will take as TS/. Then come to next one, 1, 4. Then suffix, that is after that, this is generally it will be only the year of financial year only. So now see, TS is created. Now create another one. Now create another one, for example. Now we will create AP, Andhra Pradesh, automatic, retain original number. You take special additional numbering details. Yes. Take yes. Here also the same thing. See these numbers, width of the numeric part, depending on the business, you can take any number of numeric because any number of digits, 2 digits, 5 digits, 10, any number you can take. Okay. They are taking 3 only. Here refill with 0, yes. So 1, 4, yearly, here also 1, 4. Here, sub prefix will be here. What is the registration? AP. So you can take AP. You can take another thing also, but it is better use like this. AP, and again 1, 4. Suffix will be generally only the financial year 23, 24. Okay. And now, and after this, through again we will get another one. For example, Karnataka, KA, automatic retain original number. Yes. here take it, number 3 digits here, then yes, then 1423 starting from, and here also again 1423, here Karnataka, you will give KA slash, and here 14 suffix will be the year, financial year 2022. See, we created 3 numbers. Okay, another one is there. What is that? That is Tamil Nadu. So for that also, we create TN automatic retain numbers. Yes, it also starting with 1, 3 digits, refill with 0. Yes, 14 starting yearly, and here 14, and here this is Tamil Nadu TN. So prefix, and after that again 14, again suffix will be the year only, financial year. So here, so we actually we created the series for all the 4 registrations we created. Okay, now escape, you are coming here. Here now at present you can accept as it is, but there is one more option here. Here you come here after this statutory details, there is one option, any default GST registration. See here all the registrations are shown. Here what the difference is, if you select any means, you can select any registration when you are entering the vouchers. Voucher, and we are entering the vouchers. See voucher entry, you can select any registration. So if you select the registration, till you complete all the entries in that registration, it will not change, it will be there. And if you want to work on another registration, you have to select and change the registration. Then again, till completion of that work on that registration, it will be there. So every registration you select, you can complete the work completely till that the registration will be there. It will not change. If you select default registration, any one of the registration, so that will be default. So in that registration, you can complete the work, complete till the completion of the work, it will not change. But the other registrations, if you select another registration, only the other registration will be there for one entry only. After completing one entry, again it will go back to the default selected. Then we are selecting, for example, Telangana. So for Telangana, you can complete the work fully, it will not change. That is default. If you change the registration to another one, so you can only enter only one voucher in that registration. After that voucher, automatically again it will come back to the default voucher. That is default registration Telangana. That is why we have to select any. This better. Okay, I will show you the difference also. We will work with this, and that also I will show you. So like this, we accepted the voucher type. Now see here, so in the previously, in this case, when you created the series, completely special numbering system, special series. So all the previous numbers completely changed. But here we have given that retain the original number, original voucher number. So here you don't see the, don't see, table. See, the numbers have not changed. So the numbers are as it is. When you start the series entering now, go to voucher, and whenever you are doing that, you have to say F8 sales you have to take. You have to take sales. This window will come. Now we are selecting Telangana state. Telangana state means this is here to select the registration. We have to select here. We select the voucher numbering. This here we have to select. So TS. So if we take, so Telangana state, see starting from 1. So already 5 are there. In the case of 2.1, starting with 6 after 5, all the 5 are converted. But here the previous numbers have not changed. Even after that, other numbers also will not change. So starting with 1, Telangana registration. Suppose we will enter 1 entry. So here, sales, we take up only 1 item. So here, 1 item. So 2 numbers we are selling. Or otherwise, only 1 number we take up. 1 number we are selling, 3,250 here. So this is control A, come down. So this Telangana registration cash means it will be CGST. That will be in the same state. And GST selected, CPR. And now we create a credit transaction. This is cash. Number 2 next. 1 next number 2. So Telangana state, we take up another one. This is in Telangana. Sales and item A, 1 number, 3,500 for example. 3,500. And here, this is the source of the percentages. Accept. You accept that. Come down. Here, the same state, Telangana state. that is a CGST, GST. So the same state. Now we will make a interstate transaction. So here you will select, suppose Andhra Pradesh. You take up a creditor from Andhra Pradesh. So select here sales item A, one number 3,450 for example. They are taken. So accept, then come down. Here it is Telangana registration, but the party is from AP. So if you take CGST, it will not calculate. You have to take IGST, it will be calculated. Like this, we made 3 numbers here. Okay, we made 3 numbers. So we'll make one more what we call Karnataka number. And Karnataka number means it is also interstate. Sales and item A, one number, take the same amount, same rate, accept, then come down, IGST. Okay, here we are. So like this, we have entered the, see, till you complete any number of vouchers, the registration will be the same, it will be as it is. Now, if you want to work in another registration, so here, select here, see company tax registration. If you click that, so this window will come. So now we want, which one you want to select? You want to select, for example, Andhra Pradesh. Now you want to work for Andhra Pradesh. Now Andhra Pradesh will come. So that is the selection of the registration. That is a selection of registration. And here, selection of the series. So series we created. So Andhra Pradesh means select Andhra Pradesh. So system default. So selected already. So take the default. See, Andhra Pradesh AB01. So because these are working properly, because when I creating the multiple registration, after accepting at the time of accepting the registration, it will ask you, it will show you. You can create unique number, you have to make it yes. Then if you make yes to show the voucher types, then escape, then come up. And now when you are creating here, after creating, it will work properly. Otherwise, it will not work properly. Okay, see here for Andhra Pradesh. So first we will take for cash. The cash sales, the same item A, one number. So here we'll take up 3,600 for example. So here accept, come down. So the same registration. So CGST, GST. So this intra-state. And now we'll take up a intra-state credit transaction. AP. You take AP, registration is AP. So we are taking AP person, AP creditor, and you take item A, I take one number, and you take 3,600, same date, and accept, come down. So this is the intrastate. So SGST, CGST, HGST. Okay, number 2. Next, number 3. Next, number 3. See here. Next, number 3. Suppose you select intrastate. In interstate, we'll take up Telangana. From Andhra registration, the party is from Telangana. So this is interstate. So take item A, one number, 3,650 for example. See here we take accept, come down. It is interstate transaction. That is why we have to collect IGST. Okay, like this, we made 3 numbers. So now we will make another one. We will make the same state from Telangana, right? So here, Telangana sales item A, one number. So the same amount will take up for example 3,500, and then accept, come down, CGST, sorry, Telangana state now, Telangana state, IGST. So Andhra Pradesh registration, the party is Telangana. So IGST. So this is number 4. Number 4. Now we will take up one cash transaction. This is within the state, that is intrastate. So sales item, if you select, just click in the keyboard, click I. So item A is coming. If there are many, then item A, item B, item C, then you click A, then item A will come. Click B, item B will come. If there is only one, if you click I, item will come. Here we will take one number and 3,600 for example. Take it, accept, come down. It is the intrastate. So CGST, GST. Like that, we created fact. Okay. Similarly, this one. And then if you want to change. So again, now we go to suppose Tamil Nadu. Select Tamil Nadu. So that is the selection of the registration. Here selection of the series, voucher number series. So Telangana, Tamil Nadu. So take Tamil Nadu system, then it will ask you Tamil Nadu series name and then system voucher number. You will take the default system default. Here. So starting from 1, Tamil Nadu registration, Tamil Nadu 1. Okay. So like that, again it will do. So if you go to some other series, some other registration, then also we will do. So this is what, so till you completion of the work, the registration number will be there. For example, I told you already, here, come to this one, sales. I told you in this, you hear the numbering series, here numbering series, already we created. You see, yes, you can see all the numbers we created. So you come down here, instead of selecting any, suppose you selected Telangana. You selected Telangana registration action. Now we will see, we will go to voucher F8, so Telangana. So Telangana registration. So previously we entered 4 in this series, number 5. So Telangana registration, take cash, sales, item 1, item A, 1 number, 3,600. Here, accept, come down, CGST, GST. So here we completed this work. Again, the number is selected Telangana as default. It will be there as it is till we complete the work. For example, we take up an interstate. So here, sales, item A, 1 number, 3,600. Here, take it and come down to IGST. So it is complete. See, here we completed. So this is selected as default. Till we completed, this will be there. Now we will select another one. See, we will go to another one. So Telangana, you take up Andhra Pradesh. Take Andhra Pradesh. See here, Andhra Pradesh number 6. Okay, Andhra Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh number 5 completed. Now 6. So for example, we will take up Andhra Pradesh only. Here, sales and item. We are selecting number 1 and 3,600 and accept, come down. So same Andhra Pradesh registration, Party Andhra Pradesh, CGST, GST. See, we are completing. After completing this, actually, if you select every registration, till you complete the work and change to another registration, it will be there. Previously now, Telangana was there. Now we change this. So if you select default, not any, if you select default, one default selected state, the registration will be there. We can enter any number. And if you change the registration, the other registration you can enter only one voucher. Again, it will come back to the default. So what is the default registration? Telangana. See, after we complete this, after we accept this, see, it will come back to the default. Default registration, Telangana we selected, it will come back to the number 7, Telangana. Even if you select any other registration also, it will come back to this one. Okay, so that is why what we have to do is always that every time, suppose now it has come back to Telangana, again you have to select the Andhra Pradesh if you want to enter more transactions. That is why it is always better you select any. Understand? So here you have to select not default registration, but select any. If we select any, then so any number of one registration if you take, till completion of the registration, it will be there unless you change. After changing, next registration, till completion of that work, it will be there. So this is about this one. Okay. So here, if we go to the table, you see Telangana state, TS, AP, Telangana state, AP, Tamil Nadu is not there. Okay, for Tamil Nadu, we have not entered. So, okay, no problem. You can take any registration, you can enter. Okay. Now here, the next topic is, so separate unique numbering series we did, and we know how it works, and we did everything. In this case, see here, the previous vouchers, their numbers, they have not changed. In 2.1, the numbers changed. But in after 3.0 and above, the previous numbers, they have not changed. And then the later numbers, succeeding numbers also will not change. See here. So if you, if you go to table and in any series, all are one date only. In any series, if you insert a voucher, so it will be created automatically. It will be created with the last, after the last number. Suppose if you select this TS, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, TS is 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers. So next one is 7. If you insert a voucher, so in Telangana, so it will start with 7. If you insert a voucher with AP series, AP registration, well, what is the last AP? AP is number 6, isn't it? AP is number 6. So it will start with number 7. So without changing other numbers. For example, this is Telangana. So you selected Telangana. Telangana is TS is, the last number is 6. Now if you insert, we will come to 7 number. Okay, now here, select the series. Now you come down, Alt 2, see, starting with 7. So inserting that, but here the date will be the same. And inserting with the number after the last number already created. Already we created, we entered, we made 7 vouchers. So starting with the 6 vouchers we made, this is the 7th voucher in the series. But here we can create the same thing, same party, everything with same details you can create, or you can make some other changes. For example, we take it as cash. We take it as cash, it is changing. The party name is changing, yes. We are changing the party and it will cash, sales. So number is taken, number 1 number, and here 3,250, for example, 3,250, and then here the same state, that is by CGST, HGST. Okay, like this we can make. See here, you see, go and see there. Here, now go to that. Telangana 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6. So here 7 is created in the same date, the same thing. If you select AP series, AP is there, number 6 is the last. This is also start with the next number with new voucher will be number 7. So Telangana, Andhra Pradesh we created. So if you go to Andhra Pradesh and select that series, that's all. Then all do, see, this is also starting with 7. That is the number after the last number. In the middle, it cannot insert. The numbers will not change. That is why after that only it will take wherever it is here, we are inserting here at 1. Here we are selecting. This is number 1. You are inserting here Alt, not F2, only 2, number 2, Alt 2. Here also the same thing. So that number will be the next number after the last number. That is 6 is the number. Telangana is 7. Again, if you take Telangana, if you insert again 1, now the number will be 8. See, Alt 2. So the number will be 8. So like it will insert without changing this. But in this facility is not available here. If we insert that, it will be different. Okay. Now, next one is, this is inserting the number. Next one is deleting. So we know already. So in the case of up to 2.1, go to table. So there are all numbers. If you delete a number, the succeeding numbers, the next numbers will come forward. That is, if you select one, delete one voucher, so the next numbers will come forward with 1 number. For example, here there are 5. So if you say number 3, if you delete, number 4 will become number 3, number 5 will become number 4. For example, number 3 I deleted number 3. See, number 4 came to the place of number 3. Number 5 became number 4. See here, there is no gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1 number, they came back here. So number is changing. The previous vouchers, all numbers changed with this series. And the next numbers also, if you delete, it is changing. But in this case, it will not change. See here, you take any series, if a number is deleted, the succeeding numbers will not change because it is retain the original voucher number. For example, AP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 6. For example, if you read number 4, if you delete number 4, 5 will not become 4, 6 will not become 5. So 5 will be as it is, 6 will be as it is. So after 3, in between 3 and 5, there will be gap. So here, for example, number 4, we delete it. See here, we delete number 4. See here, number 5 is as it is, number 6 is as it is. So there is no change in the succeeding numbers. So there is a gap. See, after 3, there is 5. That means in between the number 4, 1 is deleted. We can understand. In that case, the numbers are changing. We cannot understand they are deleted. That's why up to 2.1, we never used to delete. We used to only cancel. Then numbers will not change. We will cancel it. Will show the number is cancelled at the number, at that number, cancel number. It will show cancel. But here, when you delete also, the other numbers, the succeeding numbers, they are not changing. Similarly, Telangana state, you see, there are many Telangana up to 7. For example, number 4 we deleted Telangana. See, we deleted Alt D. So deleted Telangana number 4. See, 1, 2, 3 is there. 4 we deleted. So Telangana 5, 6, 7. So 4 is not there. That means it is deleted. This is how in this case, the numbers, even if you delete or insert and even if you delete, the number without impact on the subsequent voucher numbers, this is to be done in the day book, we have to go here, we have to go. Okay, like this we have done. So here, but now there is one special feature here. We deleted in Telangana registration, one number is deleted. In AP registration, one number is deleted in both the cases. But now all deleted numbers also again can be reused. So one number here, number 4, in Andhra state also number 4. In both the cases, number 4 voucher is deleted. So the related numbers we can reuse again. We can reuse on the same date. We can reuse with the same details or different party, different quantity, anything. All the different, it is only number we can change. I mean, we can get the number back. The same number we can create again, make a voucher with any details. Okay, for example, how we will see what the number which is deleted. How we see these deleted numbers we can find as. So go to voucher. Here. Table. See here. AP Telangana state we deleted. So we'll go to Telangana state. See here, Telangana state. So select Telangana state here. Go to vouchers, select Telangana state, and then so this is 8. Okay, leave it out. Telangana state, you go to Telangana registration. Now we see on the credit side, I mean on the right button bar, Control I. You can click Control I in the keyboard or say click here. So I am clicking Control I. See here, vouchers, it is giving the details. So here, come down. Voucher number details. So this now we are checking about the numbers, deleted voucher numbers. So go to this page. So here, enter this, and here state Telangana. There also we need not select Telangana. See here when you are watching, so you want to go to voucher, you need not create Telangana. Suppose already there is Tamil Nadu is selected already. Already there is Tamil Nadu. Only Tamil Nadu series is there. For example, there are Tamil Nadu series is there. Even then, if you go to more, this one, go to the voucher number details. Here, which one you require? You require Telangana numbers, which are deleted. So select this one. And here, another one, select system default, it will go to the series. But here, we want the deleted number. See, select unused voucher number. Select that, we see here. This is Telangana state. We come. In Telangana state, we deleted number 4. The previous number is number 3. Next number is number 3. This is previous number 4. Next number 5. In between that, 4 is deleted. So now type it. See here, Telangana registration. The deleted number, it has come back. It has come back. You can take any voucher you can enter. See here, this is Tamil Nadu. So you take same Tamil Nadu or Telangana state. So Telangana state, sales, item A, number 1, 3,250 or 3,500, for example, 3,500. Take it, accept, come down, because this is Tamil Nadu registration, this is Telangana state. That is why this is GST accept. So it is accepted. Now we go and see the voucher number in series. Sorry. Tamil Nadu. So this is wrong thing, something wrong. Tamil Nadu here. Vouchers. Telangana. Now it is selected number here. Telangana state, the number, this number, deleted number 4. So Telangana number 4. So here, take a Telangana state, for example. Telangana state, sales and item, create one number, 3,500, for example. Created, see Telangana state, Telangana deleted number, Telangana, and here come down, it is same state, CGST, HGST. So number accepted. So here, so now we go to see that here, go to daybook, go to daybook and see here, Telangana state 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, that create deleted number, we got back TS4 because the same date we'll get. See the same date, TS4. Suppose already on the second date, April, there are some entries for Telangana. Then this number will go to after second. That is why if you select that which the date it is deleted, you have to select that date only, because in that date only it will be inserted. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, then 4 here, already 5, 6, 7 are there in the same date. Like another similarly, Andhra Pradesh also, you see, there is one number here also, 4 is deleted. So now you have to go to voucher. Go to voucher, whatever the registration is there, but you have to go to more details. Now here, voucher number details you go, and here which state you are not looking for now? We are taking for Andhra Pradesh. Go to Andhra Pradesh, select unused voucher number. Andhra Pradesh is also AP number 4, previous number 3, next number 5. So number 3, we have to select. See here. You come to Andhra Pradesh, you come. You select Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So it is saying Andhra Pradesh, AP. Okay, directly it will come actually. We have selected Andhra Pradesh. Then here, we come down here. And here we have select Andhra Pradesh. Then use numbers, Andhra Pradesh, this number. Okay, here, for example, you take cash. Now, you can take any party or any amount or any details you can take. Item number 1, 2, you can take, accept this, come down. So the cash in Andhra Pradesh is same thing, state CGST. Like this, we can pay. Okay, so this is about these things. So we use the unused numbers. So there is one peculiar thing here. There is one thing here. See here already we have. So here F11. So if you go to yes, we see that all the multiple registrations. So for Karnataka, I think we have not used. So all these cases in all the Karnataka also we used to check up the vouchers, check up the vouchers. So Karnataka we have not used. For example, see in this case, so this what we call the multiple registrations, they're all active. Sometimes if for a registration that we close the business, registration is cancelled, or business is running, but the department suspended or cancel the registration. In that case, if the business is running means you can run the business, you can do the business, and you can enter the entries. But in the entries, when the registration is cancelled means it is inactive. If the registration is inactive, we cannot collect the tax. When we are selling, we cannot collect the tax if it is inactive. Suppose Karnataka, see, we'll go to this Karnataka registration. Here, if it is inactive, so go to the, so select inactive. To ask the date. From when is it inactive? See here, 1st April. Suppose if it is inactive from 2nd, see here, go to the 2nd, the list, it is not available in the list. Go to this, go to 2nd April, for example. So accept this. Accept. Inactive. Okay, inactive. So now it is inactive. See here, all these are active. So they are not showing registration status, completely states only. But here, some active, some inactive, then it will show registration status. All are active, but Karnataka is inactive. So it is inactive from 2nd, isn't it? We have given it from 2nd, inactive from 2nd, I will tell you. It is active. Take is inactive. So inactive from 2nd we have given already. Okay. Now, it is, what does it mean? From 2nd it is inactive, up to 1st it is active. So now we are making one entry, voucher, say Karnataka registration. See, Karnataka registration we are taking, and here Karnataka series. See, Karnataka, so system default. See, Karnataka registration, number 1. For example, number 1 we created. Number 1, sales, number 1, A, 3,500. It's okay. Okay. It is in the cash means same state, CGST, HGST. So we made entry on 1st. So 1st it is that entry, it is calculating the tax. Now, suppose we are taking 2nd April. 2nd April, we are entering the 2nd voucher in 2nd April. 2nd April again, we will take up some Karnataka only. Karnataka. So we are taking sales, and we will take up item A, one number, 3,600, for example. So it is done. So here, now it cannot calculate the tax because this Karnataka registration is inactive from 2nd. So it cannot calculate the tax. That is why Here, it is not asking it is not showing the tax details. So here is over, end of list here. And after that, come down. Now say CGST, same state now. So CGST, not calculated. Because that is why here it is not showing the tax details because it cannot be calculated. So we calculated this. So we can do the business. We can sell the goods. We sold the goods, but tax is not calculated. We cannot collect the tax. Okay. Now, for example, now from third onwards, for example, you cannot say from third onwards, you go to the F level and select the registration and select Karnataka. Here, you make it active. You make it active from some other date. Active from some other date. Okay. If you make it active, then again it will calculate the tax. Okay. That's why very active. In the case of inactive, means the registration is not valid. It is inactive or cancelled. It means inactive. In such case, we cannot collect the tax. So at the time of originality at the end, it is not showing the tax details, and when you are giving the GST, so it is not calculating the GST. So this is the thing today. So up to this we used. Next part is very simple. There are many, but all are very, very simple. Only except one will take some time. All others are very simple. So in the next part, we continue. That is the last part. Please view this up to this is the fifth part. All the parts you view the videos till the end because you have to see, you have to learn these special features how they work. So watch every video, all these 5 next part also till the end. Then like this video because if you like it, it will be recommended to others also. Others also will learn. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload. And you please share this channel with others also. Thank you. So we will meet in the next video in part 6. Thank you. Bye.